Hi there, my name is Matt. I'm an intensive care doctor working in Cardiff and also help with research in the intensive care unit. I've just finished a busy morning looking after patients with COVID. You can probably see from the PPE marks on my face. But in these quieter times after clinical work, I'm spending most of my time trying to organise research studies. Well, the truth is, the reason and the way we are going to get out of this problem isn't just with ventilators, isn't just with staff, it's with research. It's by finding treatments that work to treat patients who are ill with COVID and treatments to try and prevent it in the first place. So that's why I'm really proud that Wales is running a number of large studies, both trying to predict COVID infection, trying to prevent COVID infection, and trying to treat COVID infection. Research matters, and research matters now more than ever.